All right, this is gonna be the elevator at 50's Building 3 at the Pop Century Resort. And we got Riley and we got Adam over here.
We got Julian, we got Riley.
And Julian.
We're at
The Pop Century.
Building 3 in 50s.
2003, but made to look 50s.
Yeah. It's a 50s building. It's not from the building.
It would be cool though if it were actually from the 50s though, like you just said, and it had an Otis black button in it.
But the Disney here is from 1971.
Yeah, that's when the Contemporary and the Polynesian opened.
You know what they could do? They could start now. They could build a 20-teens building now, and then they could build 2020s,
Oh,
2030s.
that'd be interesting.
That would be cool.
That'd be cool, yeah. But the elevators are right here.
Get some more Fujitec.
Perfect.
Some Otis on it.
Oh, door's closing. Out. Huh. That's...
Here we go. Listen. This one also is the shorter chime. Here on 4.
You can even see through the doors in the COP.
Here on 4. Hello. We just like elevators, that's all. Don't worry, we won't get you. We just are taking pictures of the elevators. Think you can come in? Yeah, we're going back down.
Which floor are you going to? One?
Perfect, that's where we're going.
Nudge mode.
Here we go.
The nudge mode on this one isn't as messed up as the other one. You should have heard the one in the 60s building. That one was weird.
Here are one.
Here on 1.
Have a good day.
You too.
Oh, thanks, you too.
Yeah, that door open button is jammed.
We'll just get off here.
Every time I hit the floor we're on, it dings.
Yeah, definitely very unique. And anyways, there they go, and that will be it.
I'm gonna get the other one.
Oh, you know, yeah, we'll take a ride just for the heck of it.
Yeah.
Oh, you can push it because you're never here, so. Like to send it going.
Yeah, when there's 2 elevators, I like to get both of them.
Yeah.
When there's 3, I don't always get all 3 of them.
I find it
I'll
interesting
get
how a
2.
lot of these have buttons that do nothing.
That might be it. Is that that's on a phone, is it?
No, the phone's down here.
If you look at here,
Oh, yeah,
you see
it
the
is.
floors going by.
With the key switches.
Here on
It's
4.
even wider.
I don't know if I got a copy yet. I'll get that now.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a view. See, look, there's your Fujitec interlock up there.
Smells like hydraulic fluid.
It does smell like hydraulic fluid. Hello.
You see through the doors from here.
That's cool.
I know.
3,500 pound capacity. There's Julian and Robbie.
There's your fixtures. Here on 1.
Cab is
We're gonna watch
identical.
one go out. Here we are.
Yeah.
Just demonstrating the trick.
And
6400 NH did that a lot.
Yeah,
there it goes.
In Tissan Pro.
and there it goes.
And that's it.
That's it.